Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So today we will be learning about how to cure dandruff naturally with neem leaves. So without further ado, let's get started. Dandruff is a common problem and many amongst us are looking for effective solutions to eliminate it. While there are many medicines and home remedies available to take care of the dreaded dandruff, many experts suggest that using neem as one of the most effective remedies. It eliminates dandruff and all the problems that it causes. An evergreen tropical tree found in 30 countries around the world, neem is an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine and has been used since eons to take care of many health issues, including skin and hair trouble. The neem leaves and bark are easily available. The neem leaves are loaded with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that work together to thwart the growth of dandruff. So the remedy I will be telling you guys today requires only 2 ingredients: 40 neem leaves and 1 liter of water. This is a popular remedy that many doctors strongly endorse. It is easy to make and is extremely effective as well. The directions are as such. 1. Boil the water, then take it off the heat. 2. Add the neem leaves to the water and allow it to rest overnight. 3. Rinse your hair thoroughly with this water. This will immediately reduce the itchiness and discomfort that dandruff causes. Use it 2 to 3 times a week to get rid of the problem completely. There are many ways as to how you can use neem to cure dandruff. So if you want such more type of remedies with neem, do not forget to click on the like button. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell. Till next, take care.